vlogging right now?
Yeah. Let's go see what's up. What?
Asking if we can see the oil.
How's the coffee?
It's amazing.
It's amazing.
Sobering me up.
Sober him up.
Coffee with a shot.
Scotty. 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 Alright. Let's go to Guitar Center.
Zoning out because of that liquor. It's a pavement princess.
It's a pavement princess.
That's what you call them.
Pavement
When they're all
princess.
lifted up like that, but they're super clean.
What are you talking about? I ain't.
Pavement princess.
Oh no, they're closed. Are you fucking kidding me?
No, only one side's closed.
No, this is the whole fucking side.
Oh my god, I made a joke because only one side's.
What a fucking joke. Come on.
I know.
Oh, really? Go check out what Ferrari this is.
I'm the party.
Ferrari like 588 or something. Let's go find out.
Hey.
Watch. This is the part of the vlog where we go to jail for looking at a Ferrari.
See, now this is how you can tell that.
Pavement prisons?
No. This is how you can tell that the person who owns this isn't rich. Their parents are rich, or the fact that they spelled rich wrong. If you just look at the license plate,
No
it says
shit.
rich.
Rich?
Like I'm rich. I mean, I don't know. I could be stupid and just be down on my license. I mean, to me, if I was rich, my license plate would be rich.
Wow, shit.
Yeah. What do you think they tried to spell that?
Oh, shit. Rich.
It's like, oh, you might be rich, but you can't spell.
Yeah, fuck it, dude. And here's a Z06 C7. Let's check this out. C7? Z06? Yep.
Yeah, 6.
Soft top.
I wouldn't be able to fit in that. Look how tiny that is.
Yeah, I like this. Love the red.
It's like vlogging today. I look like shit.
Why? What's wrong with that?
What's wrong with that?
What's wrong with that, dude?
I guess nothing.
What's wrong with that?
Who cares?
What's wrong with that?
Fuck you. Fuck you.
I just farted. But not in the vlog. That's going in the vlog. It's going in the vlog.
I don't care.
It's going in the vlog.
Oh, no.
It's going in the vlog, Scott. You just ripped ass. Just ripped fucking ass. Ripped ass. Be real now. Alright, Scott said follow his meme account. What's your meme account, Scott?
Moose_226.
Moose_226. Follow me, because I'm a fucking loser. And here's a taco.
Yeah,
Like, subscribe,
I'm a meme lord.
and here's Big Bear.
Big Bear, no. What the fuck?
What is it?
Bear. Just call me
Bear.
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 I'm Bear.
Follow him. See you guys later in the next vlog. Adios.